The crested caracara, also known simply as the caracara, is a bird of prey found in parts of the Americas, particularly in Mexico, Central America, and the southwestern United States. It belongs to the falconidae family and is known for its distinctive appearance, featuring a black crest on its head and a striking black and white pattern on its body. The crested caracara is often seen scavenging for food, including carrion, small mammals, reptiles, and insects. Despite its name, the crested caracara is not closely related to true caracaras but is instead more closely related to falcons. This adaptable bird can be found in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and agricultural areas.